Calling all lemon lovers, you're going to love this easy lemon tiramisu recipe. Rich, creamy, and tangy, it tastes amazing, and this snow-baked dessert is so easy to make. Welcome on Sweets and Treats channel, my name is Annie, and let's get started. First, let's make lemon curd. We will need egg yolks, sugar, fresh lemon juice, lemon zest, cornstarch, and unsalted butter. In a medium saucepan, combine egg yolks, sugar, and whisk it. Pour lemon juice, lemon zest, and mix it again. You can add cornstarch directly to the pan, but I prefer mix it with water before to prevent lumps in the curd. I've used 2 tablespoons of water for this amount of cornstarch. Pour cornstarch mixture into the pan and place the pan on medium heat, whisking or stirring constantly. Keep whisking until the mixture thickens for about 5 minutes. When the mixture thickens, transfer it to a fine mesh strainer set over a bowl and strain the mixture from any unnecessary lumps. This will give you a perfect and smooth curd. Add butter and mix it well. Cover curd with clear wrap directly on the surface. Refrigerate until cold and thickened. For lemon syrup, we need fresh lemon juice, lemon zest, water and sugar. You can also add some limoncello if you like. Combine water, sugar, lemon juice and lemon zest in the saucepan. Lay the pan on medium heat and bring the mixture to boil. Strain out the lemon zest and set aside. If you are using limoncello, add it in at this point. Refrigerate until cold. For cream, we need mascarpone cheese, heavy whipping cream and icing sugar. Make sure mascarpone and heavy cream are cold. Usually I also place mixer whisk attachment in freezer for 5 to 10 minutes before using it. Place all ingredients in the mixing bowl and whip to stiff peaks. Our cream is ready. Dip ladyfingers into the lemon syrup one at a time, placing them in tight rows inside the baking dish. Add half the filling on top, spreading all the way to the edges. Add half of the lemon curd on top, spreading all the way to the edges. Repeat the same steps, starting from placing soaked ladyfingers on top of lemon curd. Chill the tiramisu for 8 hours or overnight to set. This allows enough time for ladyfingers to soak through and soften up, and for the tiramisu to set. And enjoy every bite of it.